Hey traders, after Friday's massive liquidation, ES opens up 11 points higher, immediately filling the lower single prints left behind on Friday. But there's still a small gap between 6034 and 6032, a sign that the market isn't fully settled yet. Are buyers stepping back in, or is this just a pause move before more downside? Let's dive in. As always, we start with the 10-day volume profile. It shows ES is still trading inside this last period value area, keeping 6044 as our line in the sand this week, which is the low of this value area, and it is key for value building. We are also still inside November's value area, but holding above December's and January's value area highs. If buyers can hold above this 6044, this could be a strong base for reaccumulation. So on the weekly, we see that Friday's brutal sell-off left behind a lot of single prints and unfinished structure. We are still operating below last week's range extension with an inside day so far, and on the daily we are one time framing down with a high of 6142. Our key level we spot here is the weekly one-time framing up with a low at 6024. If broken, bears will show real strength. Right now, it looks more like the market is figuring out whether to continue lower or clean up Friday's imbalances. Looking at the 2-hour delta, we see a few battle zones. 60-30 right here is a potential sell absorption area, and the gap above will act as support. We see that Globex is attempting to push higher, but is stalling at this Friday's single print. And my eyes are at 60.95, where this heavy selling delta sits. If the single prints get filled, this could become a strong resistance area. And on the New York TPO, we can see that Friday's session was a textbook trend day with this single print filled poor structure. The big question is, can ES reclaim this initial balance area? If buyers step in, we can look for a move back towards value. If price stays below, we do expect further downside continuation. And finally, looking at the 1-hour level chart, my line in the sand shifts down to 6050, the POC of this high volume node after Friday's drop. Strike prices also dropped significantly with a high at last week's low 6110 and a low at 5830, signaling a wide expected range. 6050 will be today's pivot. Whoever controls it dictates the next move. So for game plans holding above this 6050 levels, longs will start at 6053, targeting the single print lows at 6069, the single print highs at 6080, and of course this 6095, this is the 2-hour delta sell level. And as a bearish plan, if we stay below 6050, we open our shorts on the ledge at 6046, targeting this gap at 6034, the lows at 6013, and of course the February open at 5982. So today the focus is about finding direction, and we are looking forward to Nvidia earnings on Wednesday. Watch for absorption around these single prints. These areas will define today's range. And guys, please click this notification bell to stay updated daily. These updates will only take 4 minutes of your time, while I'm doing these in about 2 hours per day, so I'm grateful for any like or comment. And as always, if you're not staying on top of the market will stay on top of you.